Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use my new transition, Title Transition 3D. First, simply run the .drfx file and confirm the installation. To apply the transition, make sure at least one clip is trimmed. You'll find the transition in Effects, Toolbox, Video Transitions, PixFix. Drag Title Transition onto the cut between two clips. In the Inspector panel, you can edit the text, adjust its size, font, and line spacing. Camera angle controls the starting angle of the camera. Camera speed sets how fast the camera moves. A higher value makes the camera reach the final point faster, while the text stays visible longer. Layer dist changes the depth distance between layers. This mostly affects how layers react to the light sources. Num layers lets you set the number of layers from 1 up to 10. In the Layers Transform tab, you'll find transformation controls for each layer. You can adjust layers individually, randomize all positions, or enable diffusion overlay to transform them directly in the preview window. In the Effects tab, you can turn on depth of field and glass effect and adjust their intensity. These effects are visible only while the camera is moving and smoothly fade out once it stops. In the Colors tab, you can set the color and intensity of 2-point lights and the ambient light. You can also adjust the diffuse and reflection colors of the final text layer. Finally, in the Dissolve tab, you'll find controls for the disappearing transition. You can customize the shape, direction, and color of the dissolve edge, or disable the edge completely and simply blur the borders. Thanks for watching.
Audio Jungle.